Good afternoon, Alvin ISD students. I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to translate a two-dimensional figure. So on the previous screen, you should have written down your original coordinates for each of these letters. We are now going to translate each point, right 1 unit and up 2 units. So starting with point A, it is at 0, 3. We're going to take it 1 unit to the right and 2 units up. So my new A prime point is going to be at 1, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and my new x coordinate is 1, my new y coordinate is 5, and then I'm going to continue just like that. 2, 3. My b coordinate is at 3, 3. I'm going to move it to the right 1 and up 2. So my new b prime coordinates is going to be at 4, 5. So in the table, I'm going to go ahead and put 4, 5. And then my C coordinate started at 3, 5, and I'm going to take it 1 to the right and 2 up. And my C prime is going to be up here, and its new coordinates are 4, 7. D coordinate started at 3, 8. So when I take it 1 to the right and 2 up, it is now at 4, 10. So my new point over here is going to be 4, 10. And you're going to continue that through the whole table. At the bottom of the table, you're going to say what happened. So how did we move these points? We moved it to the right. How many? Right, 1. And then we moved it up 2. And then if I was putting that into math, the symbols that would be to the right is that going bigger on the x-axis or smaller. Well, the right is bigger, so that would be plus 1. And then up is also bigger on the y-axis, so that would be plus 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and help you write an algebraic representation, also known as a motion rule, because you're going to have to do that later on, and I want to make sure you understand. You basically take these symbols right here, and you say, if I started with x comma y, then how did it change from there? Well, you already did the change. Your x value went up by 1 because you went right by 1. So it'd say x plus 1, and then the second one would be y plus 2. And that's how you write your motion rule. Good luck!